What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I wanted to break down what's happening with the overall market. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. If you deposit $1,000, you're guaranteed 15, and the offer ends very soon in just about 5 days. Anyways, for SPY right now, I just want to say there's a quick setup right here. We have this gap to fill down here. If we lose 598 flat, that's going to be a nice sign of a nice dip down here. And we could be looking for a nice descent on SPY right here. So what happened to me, guys, was that I came back from my trip because my uncle was a little ill. He's doing a lot better, by the way. So I thank you all so much for your thoughts and prayers. And I came back really late at night. I arrived home at like 2 o'clock in the morning. It was an 8-hour drive for me. I had to also help pick up a lot of families and just take care of the situation. And I tried waking up at 5 o'clock to start my videos, but I just didn't feel that great. But so I slept an extra hour, and then now I feel amazing. I just needed a little extra sleep, and that's the reason why I didn't upload my morning video as I normally do. But I'm here, at least anyways. I'm doing completely fine, and we're looking for this setup to pan out very nicely. I wish I could have talked about this in the morning, like a little bit earlier, so we could have caught this whole move. But by the time I upload this video, hopefully the move is not done by then. But anyways, looking at some data, at 10:30 a.m., we have the Dallas Fed manufacturing numbers coming out. That's going to be quite minor. Then a couple of bill auctions for a very short trading week. Besides that, I didn't see any other pieces of news that were that crazy. So I'll be watching to see if we break this 598 area and come all the way down to fill this gap, if not below that. If this support fails at 596.5 on SPY, we're looking for a dip all the way down closer to 595 flat. Our resistance is very tough at that 600 area. So just keep that in mind. As far as Bitcoin goes, we came very close to that 100,000 targets. I think we came just short of it. But notice that I did say to everyone that once we hit that 100,000 mark, be careful on Bitcoin because that's where there's going to be some profit taking. And that's what happened so far, right? We got this dip on Bitcoin. We're looking at support over here at this 94,000 area. If that fails us, we're looking for 92,500 next. Just keep that in mind for Bitcoin. And we have this tough resistance to watch for essentially 95,180. Then above that, you have this imbalance at 96,000. Overall, this might dip just a little bit more. Nvda got a rug pull. Sorry, I can't go over all the news. I'm trying to be a little quick with this. We could be dipping down to about 135.8. If that does not hold, we have to hold support right there. Otherwise, we're dipping down to 132.5. So keep that in mind. We'll have to see if Nvidia could hold that or not. For Tesla, we have a double top. Now, I called out that 362.5 is likely coming, which is where this imbalance happens to be. We have to break this to continue to push. Notice we came just at that resistance, and then we got rejection on Tesla. So our main support right now is going to be at 348 and also at 343. That's where we happen to have this 20 EMA down here. If that fails us, we're dipping all the way down to about 336. So just keep that level in mind. For the QQQ, I just wanted to call out this support right here at 504. So we could be dipping down to 504.7 to 503.8. We'll have to see if we bounce off that. Otherwise, 502 is likely coming. Apple hit my target of 232. Now it's rejecting here. If we don't hold above 232, we could be retesting 230, which is where the breakout area happens to be. On Netflix, excuse me, on Netflix, I was expecting a dip. We're approaching 880 is the main support. Need to bounce off that. Otherwise, we could be dipping for 862. For the IWM Russell 2000, we're looking for it pushed very nicely to about 244, a little bit under that. Now we're going to be looking for a retest of 242. If that fails us, we're looking for gap support at 241, followed by the gap fill for 239. If those break, Amazon is struggling to hold above 200. We need to reclaim 200. Otherwise, I see essentially this gap fill back down to 197. Meta needs to try to reclaim at 575. If it can't get back above that, we might be retesting our key EMA at 564, so keep that in mind. Microsoft is rejecting here. It pushed to about 420. I called this down in my morning video. Not my morning view, my video yesterday about how 418 to 420 is likely coming. We'll see if it rejects or not. It rejected because remember we had this rejection here and here and here. So we could be on our way down to this imbalance at 413. And Google is going to be likely it's outperforming the market very nicely. this could actually get closer to about 171 before it rejects. So it's outperforming the market thus far. That being said, guys, this is your quick technical update. I want to get this out as fast as possible. Hopefully YouTube lets me upload this video very quickly because the setup is still in play and we'll give it the time it needs. I thank you for listening, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you guys very soon, and peace out.